Hey everyone! Oh, do you ever have something that you just see and you're like, oh, that is just too adorable for words? What do you think of this sleepy hedgehog by the Dutch lady? Hi, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so glad that you are here to explore this diamond painting with me from Diamond Art Club. And they always put their squares lately in these blue boxes with the square blue gem, and that is what this sleepy hedgehog is. And if you look, it has 67 colors, including 4 specials, 2 Aurora Borealis and 2 fairy dust. Oh, I can't wait to open this with you. It's a 55.8 centimeter by 78.7 centimeter, which is 22 inches by 31 inches. So let's take this sleeve off and dive in to unleash our inner artist. Also on the end, they do have a sticker that has the photo and the name of what painting is inside. So if you store it, you can have that facing out and know exactly what is in this box. Okay. Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. You've got your toolkit, which comes with the stackable tray. As you collect them, you can stack them. Make sure that your lids are on it before you stack it. It does have more clear putty, and it has the pink wax and a 7 placer in it if you prefer that. Then you also have your pen with the clear putty right here, and you twist and the putty comes out. It's already preloaded, and you have your 3 placer and some baggies in there as well. Don't forget to thank you for your purchase. You always want to open this because inside is a gift for you. Look at this adorable hedgehog. It's a trading card. This one is bronze, featured by the frame and by saying bronze. Check out the website. And then this is your sticker sheet. Inside are all of your beautiful colors as well. If you want to put this in your journal, what it is, and your start and stop date, all of the essentials. So make sure you grab your envelope here. It is not just for pretties. It also has special things inside that you need. All right, let's get to the real reason you're here. It is for what's behind door number 1, the soft lint. It also has these serged edges. It has the gray perforated lines, so you know that you can rip off the 4x4 squares. It has the key in the upper left and the lower right. And while we're here, let's look at how clear those symbols are. I love the color palette of this. It's just to die for me. I love vibrant colors, but I also love just these warm colors. Look at the rendering on that flower. Stunning! But you open it up. There's the hedgehog. Now, my husband and I bought a small hedgehog stuffed animal. We call him Hedgie. And when we went around the country, we take pictures and send it back to our daughter. Hedgehogs are just adorable. Look at him. Look at the detailing of this flower. Absolutely stunning. And the shadowing of this one. The detail over here of this flower. Just the rendering is amazing, and the shading behind the flowers, they pop. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it is longer than it is wider, so that's why we're having to go up and down, up and down. Now let's look at the rendering of the actual hedgehog himself. He's got multiple colors throughout, so you're going to be able to see all of the pricklies, his cute, adorable face, Look at all of this detailing. Stunning. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors to go inside of this brown palette just for his body. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so let's look at the drills. If you store your drills separate from your canvas, you'll be able to find them because they are labeled. And I'm going to pause to open. Okay, here we go. Look at these beautiful colors, and we're going to look for some specials. All right, so here's our first special. It is fairy dust with that mica powder coating. As for up close and personal, you can see there's no tags on those drills. They're going to line up super tight. Okay, so this is 437. That's going to be an L. Let's look for the L's. Let's see. Where are you, Mr. L? Okay, that is all through here. So you're going to have speckled fairy dust through the spine, not spine, but the little pokies. Just a warm, inviting color palette. Okay, so we have some 80s here. 945. That's going to be the hearts. That is the inside right here of hem and then scattered throughout. And then let me just double check the flowers. I don't think I saw any in the flowers. Not that I'm aware of, but there are L's over here in this flower. So that will also have the fairy dust we just looked at. Okay, keep going, keep going. All right, we found another fairy dust with that mica powder. This one is 356. All right, so those are trees. Those are right through here in this flower in the inside of the outline. And then you also have, just double check up here. Yep, same flower right in here. Outlined. That's going to be gorgeous. So gorgeous. Blue towns. I love that green color. This will be a fun one to do in like late summer, early fall. Here's 3053. That's the green equal sign. That is throughout this flower that I liked with the shading right here. And then let me just double check. Is there any up here? Oops, sorry, didn't mean to bump you. Didn't want to make you dizzy. Okay, and then over here in the leaf, off to his left. All right, and then we're going to finish up this train. Colors. I'm going to enter the last train. I just had one with a lot of 919 in it. It was the turkey. All right. There we go. And we're done. We're done with this adorable hedgehog. I can't wait to name him. Right now he's called Sleepy Hedgehog, but we're going to have to name him because he's just too cute. So let me know what you think down below. Would you get Sleepy Hedgie? When would you do it? Do you like squares? Do you like rounds? Let me know what you're thinking. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, everyone. Until next time. Bye-bye.